So the plan is we are going to camp on the Torean Route. Why is that? Because Torean trail is such a long trail. We want to save time for tomorrow, so that's why we're going to camp there. Campsite is around 2 hours away. Shouldn't be a problem. Let's hope it's not gonna be a problem. Want to find a look to the lake? Here we go. Selamat jalan. Dah. Okay, so apparently on our trail we have a hot spring. I think we're gonna stop by for a second. Okay. Okay, it's pretty nice.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Taxi would be like the same number.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I just knew that. From like in what way?
Like clean,
Okay.
more or less everything organized. A lot of food.
Just stop for a little rest, and off we go again. Let's go.
dia senang sekali dia.
We've arrived at the campsite, but we're still looking for our friend, the porter. Let's go. So we have arrived at our campsite for the last night. Rinjani, just up ahead, right there. I'm gonna prepare to build my tent and take some rest. Right now my tent has been set up, but right now I need to clean something, which is my cup and also my spoon, and I think we can do it in the river. Fell down and turns out it was mud. It's not gonna be a problem. I know that the water is contaminated with sulfur, but that's why I'm gonna rinse it again anyways. So let's go. The guide and the porter built a fire, so let's have a dinner.
Sekitar 90 beratnya. Sudah besar Pak.
Tapi memang pendaki di sini sering diganggu. Oh sering.
Kalau kita bakar tulang, nah seperti ini kan, kita bikin api unggun, terus
Ada tulang?
ada bekas kita makan tuh bakar tulang, itu nggak boleh.
Itu yang mengundang.
Iya. Soalnya kenapa saya bilang gini? Soalnya saya udah kejadian di Pelawangan sana di
Oh iya?
di
Senaru?
pos 3 Senaru. Di pos 3 Senaru kita bikin api unggun sudah gini.
Terus bakar.
Kita bawa ikan kan dari pinggir danau naik sana. Tapi kita sudah masak, selesai makan, buang tulangnya ke apinya.
Beneran?
Malamnya dirusak kan.
Oh iya?
Iya, dirusak.
So we finished dinner tonight and we've also shared a lot of stories in the campfire. But right now it's time for us to get some rest because we are leaving tomorrow morning at around 7 a.m. because the trail to Torean Basecamp is going to be quite long, about 8 hours. So I guess that's it for today and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's our last day and today we are going to head down to Basecamp, to Torean Basecamp, and then after that we are going to use a pickup truck to get to Malone Village. And it's kind of sad, unfortunately, but the past few days it has been super awesome here. I'm super happy with everything that's been going on. I'm super grateful. But right now we gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm about to change my clothes, get into new ones, and get some breakfast, and we'll prep again and we'll head down. Alright. Okay, so it's done. I've changed my clothes and I've also taken care of my things. I've tidied them up. But right now you gotta see this, guys. Look at the view on this side. And on this side. Well, the porter again, he has cooked some food for me. He cooked fried rice, so I gotta eat that, of course. I mean, his cookings are really awesome. But for now, I gotta tear down my camp and get my things inside my backpack. I'm gonna cook something too. Maybe some, I don't know, we'll see. Let's go. Right, time to eat breakfast with a view. Okay, so we're done breaking camp, taking care of things, tidy things up, and we're back on our way. Let's go. tadi kok. Pipanya. Need a bit of rest in the shade because it's just super hot right now. Look at this cliff. It's tough. And another set of staircases. Frick. Gotta be kidding me. Okay, so just took a break, about 10 minutes, and now we're back on our way. Let's go.
obat. Yang mana? Tuhan. Iya sih, kelihatan masih segar bawahnya. Dari bawah aja ada ikannya, ini kan debus. Kesibukannya di sana aja. Mabok banget.
Off we go again. Okay, so we have arrived at our place to rest for this morning. It's pretty beautiful. It's pretty good. So I think let's get something to eat.
And I wanted to taste more. I wanted to be like, oh yeah, also cooked. Are you smaller than me? Yeah? Are you smaller than Daniel?
Alright, we're done for the rest, and this is going to be the final stretch to Torean Basecamp. Let's go.
Kau senior ko di ba? Dibuka.
Hey!
Aku nggak ada tanaman. Mereka makan kertas.
Gimana kak?
Hah?
Ini
Ini gatal ini, pohon jelatang namanya. Kalau mau obatnya pakai akarnya.
oh pakai akarnya diapain?
Ya usapin di
Oh
tempat
diusapin
yang kena.
aja.
Kira dikupas-kupas dulu.
Enggak,
Langsung aja.
ya langsung aja.
Kenapa aku dulu pakai kupas?
Okay then, so we're on the end of the trail. This is the gate of Torean.
Tunjukin
Catching my
buat
breath.
tiketnya.
Okay. Isi kak, mau check out? Langsung di scan sini aja. Oke, makasih. Okay, so we've done the checkout, but we still have another hour to reach the rendezvous point for our pickup. Let's go. Tetap bisa tapi.